Hello guys, my name is Plamen and we are True Sight Forex. We are here again with the next episode of the series How to be a successful Forex trader in 10 steps. We hope you've liked the previous video and understood why it's important to know the market structure to make a good technical analysis. Now it's time to move to the next step, and this is all about the strategies in the Forex trading. So without further ado, let's begin. Have you ever heard that you need only one strategy in Forex trading? Of course you have. Well, let me ask you something. How do you think are the big players in the Forex market using only one strategy to make money? I think you know the answer. That's why you need more than one strategy to be profitable in your trading. As you know, some of the strategies are for a very long time, and if you use only one of these type of strategies, how many trades will you have? How long will you wait for the strategy to be formed? Our job as traders is to catch almost every movement of the price. That's why you need a lot more than one strategy. Now, let's take a look what type of strategies you need to know. The first type we are going to look is the trend reversal strategies. How the market works. It goes in impulse waves and corrective waves. It can be in uptrend or downtrend. Then, at some point, it reverses its movement. And how you can catch the reverse of this movement? Here come the trend reversing strategies. This type of strategies is one of the best out there. Why am I telling you this? It's because using these strategies you can catch the beginning of the whole new trend, and it would be for like 3 to 6 months. The only thing you have to know is how to use them in the proper way. These strategies are probably the most profitable strategies. You can't see them a lot, but when you see them, you can be sure that something good is happening. Okay, now you know the basic type of strategies in Forex market. But let me ask you, can we trade only on trend reversal strategies? When they appear, good. We have good trade on them, but it will take a long time to have new trades after that. That's why you need to know the next type, and this is the trend continuating strategies. So now you know what to do if a trend reversal strategy appears, but what to do next? We can't wait for like 3 months for another trade. And here come these strategies. After the reversing of the trend, we need to catch the next movement of the price, the new impulse waves and the new side movements. These waves happen in a lot of different types, with small corrective waves or much larger corrective waves. Sometimes they are like side movements, or as it's called, range. And by using the trend continuating strategies, we can catch these movements. The strategies take time to be formed as well, but not as much as the previous strategies. They appear after some time, probably 6 to 10 days to be ready, and after that 5 to 6 days to be completed. That's a lot of time, but it's shorter than the trend reversal strategies. They also give a lot of success. But are only 2 types of strategies enough? How do you think? Some people are satisfied with a few trades in a month and they are happy, but most of the traders are not. That's why there is a third type of strategies, and they are called advanced strategies. This type of strategies happens much frequently than the other strategies mentioned so far. We can say almost every day we have some advanced strategy form. Even if there is not every day, in 2-3 days you can see some of them. They are called advanced because first you must understand the movement and the structure of the market, the base strategies, and after that these strategies come. The advanced strategies make the trading much more interesting because you can use many different types of instruments that are not needed in the previous types. Using them, you can catch almost every movement of the price. As you know, the market isn't moving perfectly, and only 2 types of strategies are not enough for trading. You can use these strategies on every time frame. They give very good win rate. Okay, did you like the strategies so far? Do you think we need more strategies? We have already seen the trend reversal strategies, the trend continuating, and the advanced strategies. Is there another useful type? What do you think? Of course there is. This is the intraday trading strategies. Intraday means within the day. Intraday price movements are particularly significant to short-term or day traders looking to make multiple trades over the course of a single trading session. These traders will set all their positions when the market closes. Traders use numerous intraday strategies such as scalping and range trading. The most significant benefit of intraday trading is that the positions are not affected by the possibility of negative overnight news that has the potential to impact the price of securities materially. These intraday strategies are good for traders who can't wait for a long period of time to close the trade. Using these strategies, we can satisfy our need to be in trades every day. If you can't wait for a few days to make a trade, this is the way. Disadvantages of the intraday trading include insufficient time of period to see increase in profit, in some cases any profit at all, and increased commissions costs due to trading more frequently, which eats away at the profit margins a trader can expect. Now, what do you think? Do we need more strategies to trade? We already know 4 different types. Is there a possibility for more? That's right. They are the fast earning money strategies. These type of strategies are very popular, but with a very high risk within. As you know, the higher the risk, the higher the profit is. They give us the opportunity to make some money when we have a small account. The point is to make a bigger account so you can reduce the risk in your trading and to be calm for your money. Of course, there is the chance to lose everything in 4 or 5 trades. You have to know that very well. The advantages are that you can earn some money in short amount of time, but the disadvantages are that the strategies are with much higher risk. This type of trades are occurring almost every day. Okay, now let's see the last type of strategies that is the most profitable of all. The long-term trading strategies. What makes these strategies the most profitable? Well, this is like the stock trading. You never close a losing position. That is the cyclicality of the market. The price always comes back. You may wait for a year or 2, but it will come back and you will be in profit. And this is the way to be only in profit. This is the trading that big investors use a lot. But for this trading is needed a very large account to secure the momentum loss if the price goes in the wrong direction. Okay guys, this was everything for today's episode. Now you know how the different types of strategy work and how you can be profitable in many ways. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with a friend. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, this way you are helping us to improve the quality of the videos we make. Don't miss our weekly forecast on Monday. We wish you all the best.